Hello everyone, welcome to Steno Aspirants. I am Akshay Verma and I am going to dictate you a legal passage of 500 words at the speed of 100 words per minute on cinematography in India. So be ready. 30 seconds. Start. Cinema most particularly appears to have always grabbed the attention of millions of masses across the globe. Stop projecting itself as one of the most pivotal sources of entertainment and information. The cinema not only rejoices a very prime positioning in the public domain but also serves as a tool in impacting the minds and hearts of people worldwide. Stop. Different age groups, be it the children, teenagers, matured individuals, or the aged ones, cinema is cherished by almost everyone and is also identified as the mirror of the society. Full stop. Cinema secures a crucial stand in the societal perspective as it is considered to be one of the most significant portrayals of ideas, belief, culture, perceptions, norms, etc. by way of providing amusement to everyone. Full stop. This portrayal, if lacks appropriate supervision and not brought forth in a responsible manner, would hamper the peace, order, and discipline of the society. Stop. Therefore, associating ourselves with the above factor, we can deduce the censorship and certification of films would play a major role in this context. Stop passage. India is the largest film industry in the world, producing more than 900 feature films as well as great amount of short films every year. Full stop. Theaters witness audiences as huge as the country's population every 2 months. Full stop. Due to the competition increasing globally, coupled with the urge to sustain in the longer run, the filmmakers try to put their best effort to ensure that the product they endeavor to bring forward is sufficient to earn them their returns. Stop. In this process, they sometimes, due to overexcitement and zeal induced in them, end up producing films which they might be appealing and liked by a certain group or even result in strong opposition and revolt by some as a consequence of dissatisfaction or contradiction of view. Full stop passage. Freedom of speech and expression is a fundamental right guaranteed to all the citizens residing within the territory of India under Article 19 bracket 1 bracket A of the Constitution. Stop. It gives the ability to each and every citizen to take a step forward and voice their opinion from every nook and corner of the country. Stop. This right enables the people to think and also gives them the privilege of making their views and ideologies acknowledged by everyone in the society. Stop. Thus encouraging different propositions to be heard, which motivates in boosting the growth and development of the country. Stop para. When the media exercises the right allotted to them under Article 19 bracket 1 bracket A, it becomes extremely crucial to scrutinize and review the product before it reaches the public. Full stop. The masses greatly seem to get influenced and carried away by the combination of both the effects, including audio and visual, in comparison to the printed word. Stop. The Central Board of Film Certification (CBFC) is a legal censorship and categorization body established under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, full stop. The board has been allocated the authority of controlling the public presentation of films as per the provisions of the Cinematograph Act 1952, stop over.